How many know you get into deliverance and then things get a little dry? Maybe you're not getting the success. Maybe and then you're the enemy. If you want to get through deliverance and you want to get delivered, you got to check some assumptions. You can't just say, oh, something ain't going right and it ain't me. Like, okay, maybe it's me. Maybe I need to go back to the drawing board. Maybe it's something I missed. So I think that's one of maybe my strengths, is that I don't care who gets it right as long as we get it right. I don't care who is right, or I don't care if I'm right or if I'm wrong. I care that we get it right. And if you want to be free, that's a great approach. I mean, was it a raven that fed Elijah? So that's an unclean bird. The dirty birds. He had enough humility to allow himself to be fed by a dirty bird. So God will speak and move in unusual circumstances and situations, but if you have your mind made up at how it should be and where you're at and who's in and who's out and who's anointed and who's not, you're going to miss something.
Amen.